Hey guys, thanks for joining me in another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Today I'm just going to show you how to reset the service interval on a Kia Cerato. This is a 2022. It has the lane departure assist, which is a little bit different to ones that don't have that feature. So I'll just show you the service interval. So we've got our service required in the center display on the cluster. Essentially, we want to come over to our infotainment. So if we just go back here, we want to load up our vehicle. So we press setup, we press vehicle, we go to cluster, we go to service interval, and here we have our service interval. So you want to put the distance, so we do 7500, sorry, so 7500, and our duration is going to be what, 180. Oh, that's in months, sorry, I didn't see that said months. 6 months, 182 days, apologies. That's that. So now if we go home, if we key it off, and our service interval is reset to our to our time that we've set. So that's that one. This is 2022 Kia Cerato service interval reset. Please guys, if it helped you in any way, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. That helps me out too. And anyway, we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.